All right, today we're going to mount up a tire. A lot of youngsters around the area, they like to come over and say, "Hey, I got a new tire to mount on this side," or whatever. I say, "Yeah, sure, go ahead, use my tools." And the first thing I see them done, they get the tire off okay, but when they go to put the tire back on, they're trying to mount it from the back side, and this creates a big problem. I don't know. Okay, right here is the distance on the back. This is the distance on the front. The tire needs to go over the front so they can make proper clearance to make the tire go on easily. Because if you're fighting it, you're doing it wrong. So, take the rim, get the tire, and soap up the bead. Now, I just use regular Dawn dish soap and water, pretty heavily mixed so it's real slick. Let me put the tire down there. All right. And there's front one bead. A little soap. Nice soap again. And notice I keep moving my foot forward. Move my foot forward to keep that bead down below that ridge. Tire goes on. All right. Almost got it. Nice and easy. There we go. One tire mounted. And that's how we mount a tire. And as always, like and subscribe. Any questions, hit me in the comments. This is Brian H. Thank you.